Welcome to another Clojure Diary video. In this video, like we are just going to look at some Reddit comments. I did put it on Reddit about like Fibonacci closure. I was expecting like 1,000 views of my videos. Okay, so but yeah, like they gave very good comments. And they also made me realize how much I don't know about Clojure. But yeah, that's true. Like I'm just learning. I'm only targeting like something like January, where I just get some amateur level of closure, possibly after 1 year after that, maybe professional level of closure. But I'm working in Ruby on Rails, so like I'm not in a hurry and all those stuff. And fortunately, like till now, yeah, the company which I'm working is good to me. So yeah. So they've put some comments, and one of the comments is like, okay, like I forgot to like which one it is. So I'll just tell you like what to do. They are saying like my program is not properly memorized. Okay, so and that's true. Like, okay, right? So I didn't realize it at first, but yeah, it is true. Like, okay, so you just have this fib, and then you just have this memorized fib, right? And then you just have this one. Yeah, this just returns. Okay, so yeah, it would have memorized something. Okay, yeah, that's true. But what? Okay, this memorized fib will call fib, but inside this we are once again calling fib and fib. So I don't think we can put like memorized fib over here, memorized fib over here, and I don't think that will work. Okay, so let me just put that. Okay, so memorized fib and memorized fib over there, right? Okay, so you just need to press option and then click. So in two places it got clicked, and now yeah, two places I can edit at the same time. This is not just in VS Code. Look, it's showing an error. Look, I think it won't. Yeah, it's working. It seems to work. Hey, this one seems to work. I don't know how is it. Okay, so okay, right. Okay, right. What about 30? Yeah, 35. This one seems to work. Did it really work? Okay, let me just 40, 50. 70, 100. Yeah, of course, yeah. This error is because, like, okay, like, it's putting such a large number, it is storing in, like, okay, like, a backend Java, right? Okay, like, but of course, like, no matter what language it uses, there is only certain number of bits allocated for a number. So this is overflowing, and, like, what about 90? Oh, God, this is working really cool, right? So let me just copy this. And is it so easy memorizing this thing? Okay, right. I was planning for something else in this video. Okay, so memorize fib.clj, right? Oh, did I do some trick or something like that? Wait, I just thought, look, this should fail because this memorize fib is not there before this one. Okay, yeah. Look, I think I've just tricked something. I've just done it. Okay, so let us go back over here. Right. So let's just put fib over here. Okay, this is the original program, right? Let me just go and see the git. Yeah. Uh, okay, so I just need to put 10 over there. Okay, just put 10. Yeah, and all the changes will disappear. Right. Okay, fine. So, look, I think I've cheated or done something wrong. Look, because like I think this is playing some role. Like this lane ripple is playing some role, and so let me just put Control D so that all memory gets erased. Okay, so and then let me just once again put the ripple, right? So it's 58790. Okay. So let me put the ripple once again. Okay. Uh, Okay, generic. Put the port number over here. Hopefully, yeah, it's working. Okay, yeah, fine. So it's working. So, right, okay. Where is this memoized fib? Yeah, sorry, so I just need to bring it over here. Right, let me just take these stuff off. Okay. So now it's new. Okay, so this won't have anything like fib or something like that. Fib 7. I don't think it'll work, right? Okay, so okay, so like nice. Okay, so let me just try this out. Yes, memoized fib is not there. Okay, yes, so this won't work. Okay, so and not even this can be done. Okay, now I've put this. Okay, okay, so now I put this. Now I'm doing this. Wait, and now let me just do this. Yeah, there is some wrong option, right? Yeah, I did suspect there is some wrong. Okay, so this should not work. Okay, this boom should not work. So something happened, some trickery happened like in the previous thing. Okay, so that is like it's non-linear execution, right? While you're doing this ripple driven development, like you would have executed this statement first, then executed this statement, something like that. So something wrong happened. So this should not work. Okay, so this video is about like making this fib. Okay, so like okay, like let me just copy this fib. Okay, right? Okay, so let me just put a new file. Okay, memonize fib.clj. So I think this is the proper one, like what they memonize fib right way.clj. Okay, so right, okay, memonize fib right way.clj. Yeah, fine. Okay, so you just have a fib working example and all those things. Okay, so let this be there. Okay, so I'm not going to do anything, right? So like let this be there. So it's a working thing. We know it works. Okay. So what I'm just saying is like okay, let me just put something like okay, get fib. Okay, it's def, not defined function. Okay. So now what I'm just going to do is to open a memonize thing. Memonize, memoized. Okay, to this I'm just going to pass a function, right? So to this I'm just going to pass a function. Anonymous function can be written like this one, and this will have index, right? Because it is the same fib program, right? So this is the thing. So now what I can just do is like I can just copy this one. I think it's a blue to blue, right? So blue to blue. So I wonder did Microsoft people or somebody think about somebody having colorblind, or even this colors is okay for colorblind people, or I'm not sure. Right? So okay, so this is the thing, right? Okay, so this is what happened, right? Oh, memoirs or memonize. I really don't know. English is not my native language. I want everybody in the world to speak Tamil. So, this they are just saying is okay. Like, look. So what is happening over here is like you're having define, okay, and then you're having a function over here, right? And then you're just memoizing the function and just assigning it to it. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So now, okay, so user fib doesn't exist. Okay, like wait, fib 7, right? I don't know why I'm just putting 7. I think 7 is considered as some kind of lucky number. And I don't know why this thing just comes. Like, if somebody knows, they can just tell me, like, why these errors are happening. And if somebody in Calva, like, or something like, can solve it, it'll be good. So, or if they want some logs, yeah, I can just generate and give and all this stuff, right? So I would like to participate in such projects. Okay, so but yeah, my participation won't be consistent. Okay, so there is fib of 10. Okay, 34, right? Okay, let us put like, okay, fib of 30, right? What about 40? I think 40 got crashed. Okay, what about 90? So this is the right way to do it. So this is what you're just saying. And another one, what they said was like, okay, like this is an excellent person. Like he just put a comment. Look, constructive or not constructive, a comment is comment. Like I just like it. Okay? So that's the thing. Okay, and he's telling me to use this condition. Okay, so I don't know what it really means. I haven't even seen it. No. Instead of condition, he's just telling me to use case index. Okay, so that's the thing. So what I think is, okay, just let me just copy it, because like I'm really afraid like I'll just mess it up. Okay, so I'll just copy it, right? And then let me just put it over here and let me comment it. Okay, if the new version is okay, yeah, I'll just remove this off, right? So he's just telling, okay, there's a thing called case and index, and then okay, and if it's uh 1, yeah, then it's 0. Okay, and then if it's 2, then it's 1. Are you able to understand? Look, if index is 1, then it will return 0, and then if it's 2, it will return 1. Okay, so shall I make it bigger? Okay, so if it's 2, it will return 1. There is no such thing called else, so I think we can just remove this off. Okay, and we can just press tab. Okay, so this is what he's just saying. Okay, so now let's execute it. Fib of 90, yeah. Fib of 62, right? Okay, so this is what he's saying. Okay, like very good thing. Like, look, now the program looks more concise or something like that. Okay, I don't know how people in other languages will be thinking about it, but for me, yeah, this looks more concise, right? So that's the thing, right? And then what he says is, yeah, instead of index -1, he's just telling me to use DEC index. Okay, so okay, so this is what he's just saying. Okay, so now let's put like 52 and then run this fib. Right? Anyway, thanks for everybody in Reddit community. Like, it doesn't mean that the channel should only get like monetary donations to thank people. Like, okay, look, everybody who has commented over here, I'll just put this comment, and then I'll also put it in the code, right? Or in the notes, I'll just put it, right? So I'll just note it over here, then I'll just put it in notes. Okay, so. And thanks everybody for commenting, and it's making me to learn properly. Look, one of the good things about programming languages is the community. I was able to learn Ruby language because the community was good. Okay, despite the books weren't good, the community was good, and possibly like Clojure community is helping me like this, and possibly like I could become a very good Clojure programmer tomorrow. And just because like I'm a good programmer doesn't mean that it's because of me. It's because of a lot of unknown people. Like they don't even show their faces, right? So yeah. Anyway, thanks for everybody, and yeah, I hope like more Clojure people will come out. Anyway, I'm being moved by this comments. Okay, thanks a lot, and thanks for watching this video. Let's hope that I'll be able to put more videos, more better videos. Okay, so that's the thing. Yeah, bye.